Looking for the perfect ride-on toy for your child? The best remote control Power Wheels combine fun and safety, giving parents full control while kids enjoy the thrill of driving. Let's explore the top models that stand out today. Number 1. First Ride-on Car. The First Ride-on Car, officially licensed by Ford Bronco Raptor, delivers a feature-packed driving adventure for kids while offering parents peace of mind through its reliable safety features. As one of the best remote control Power Wheels currently available, this 24V ride-on vehicle makes an instant impression with its realistic design, mimicking the bold styling of the Ford Bronco Raptor down to its front grille and headlights. Its 21-inch dual seat offers plenty of space for siblings or friends to ride together, making it perfect for larger children who enjoy company on their adventures. The dual seating comes with 2 individual 3-point seat belts and anti-slip seats, prioritizing safety for both drivers and passengers. Parents can take control anytime with the included remote, featuring a 98-foot range for worry-free outdoor play. Entertainment options are another major highlight. Kids can groove to built-in music, stream via Bluetooth, or tune into the radio while driving. The addition of storytelling features makes solo rides engaging and reduces the likelihood of boredom or tantrums. Performance-wise, the car boasts a 24V battery paired with a dual-drive motor, offering 3-speed options: 2.0, 2.7, and 4.3 miles per hour. This lets parents choose suitable speeds for different environments and age groups. Number 2. Winado 12V Ride-on Car. The Winado 12V Ride-on Car is a reliable and versatile option for parents seeking one of the best remote control Power Wheels for their children. With its 2 operational modes, this electric car allows kids to take the wheel using the foot pedal and steering, or lets parents guide them safely using the remote control. The parental remote features 3 speed settings, while the manual mode offers 2, ensuring a safe and adjustable driving experience for children of varying confidence levels. The maximum speed reaches a modest 3 miles per hour, which balances fun with safety. What sets the Winado apart is its thoughtful design aimed at delivering a realistic driving experience for little ones. It comes equipped with bright headlights, authentic taillights, and a widened seat complete with an adjustable seatbelt. Entertainment is built right in with music playback options, including a USB port, AUX input, TF card slot, and volume control, alongside a voltage display for convenient monitoring. The rechargeable 12V battery takes about 8 to 12 hours to fully charge and provides 1 to 2 hours of continuous playtime, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Durability is another strong point of this model. Its sturdy build quality and reliable operation make it a practical gift for children aged 3 to 5, supporting up to 55 pounds. The car's smooth start system ensures that kids aren't startled by sudden acceleration, enhancing both safety and comfort during rides, whether cruising around the yard or driving along sidewalks. Number 3. Tobbi Ride-on Car. The Tobbi Ride-on Car is a standout choice for families in search of one of the best remote control Power Wheels that blends luxury styling with child-friendly functionality. Officially licensed by Mercedes-Benz, this mini GLA 45 model mimics the sleek design and racing-inspired details of the real car, making it an instant hit with young drivers. Its slim body, aerodynamic lines, and working LED headlights deliver a sophisticated, realistic look that kids will love showing off. Safety is a top priority in the Tobbi Ride-on Car. Equipped with a soft start system, adjustable seatbelt, and lockable double doors, it ensures little ones won't be startled by sudden acceleration and remain securely fastened while driving. The car operates in 2 driving modes: manual operation using the steering wheel and foot pedal for kids eager to drive independently, and a parental remote control mode for added guidance and safety. The remote lets parents take over whenever necessary, which is great for younger or less experienced drivers. Entertainment features abound in this model. It includes an MP3 player, USB port, TF card slot, and storytelling mode, keeping kids entertained on every drive. The car's LED lights not only enhance the look, but also make evening rides fun and visually exciting. Performance is solid, powered by a reliable motor with 2 speed options and a rechargeable battery that offers about 1 to 2 hours of driving time on a full charge. The Tobbi Ride-on Car offers a winning combination of style, safety, and interactive features, making it a fantastic option for parents seeking a premium ride-on toy with robust remote control capability. Number 4. Enyopro Ride-on Car. The Enyopro Ride-on Car is an outstanding pick among the best remote control power wheels for families with multiple kids or those seeking rugged outdoor capability. This powerful 24V two-seater ride-on truck packs dual 90W motors paired with a 24V7 rechargeable battery, delivering impressive strength and stability. It effortlessly handles various terrains like grass, gravel, and sidewalks while offering 3-speed settings, maxing out at 4.4 miles per hour for an exhilarating yet safe ride. One of its standout features is the 21-inch dual-seat configuration, complete with individual 3-point seat harnesses. This design makes it perfect for siblings or playmates to enjoy together while ensuring maximum safety. Lockable doors provide additional security, preventing accidental openings while in motion. Parents can confidently let their kids drive using the intuitive steering wheel and pedal setup, or take full control with the included remote. The remote features a priority function, allowing it to override manual driving, and even includes an emergency brake for instant stops when needed. Durability and comfort are equally well considered. The Enyopro features anti-skid, wear-resistant PP tires, and a metal spring suspension system, which absorbs bumps and ensures a smooth, comfortable ride across uneven surfaces. Battery life ranges between 1 to 2 hours, depending on usage and terrain. This power-packed truck also incorporates headlights, realistic sound effects, and a user-friendly control panel, adding to the immersive experience. It's a highly capable and reliable choice for kids aged 3 to 8, offering safety, performance, and fun in one robust package. Number 5. Silverado Ride-on Truck. The Silverado Ride-on Truck faithfully recreates the iconic Chevrolet Silverado design in a kid-sized version, making it a top contender among the best remote control power wheels available today. Designed with a powerful 12V battery system, it runs up to 1 hour per charge and reaches a safe top speed of 2.5 miles per hour, a comfortable pace for young drivers discovering their love for motoring. Its dual-mode operation allows kids to drive manually or gives parents control through the remote, which features directional buttons and speed adjustment. This flexibility ensures that children can enjoy an independent driving experience as they gain confidence while parents maintain a safety net. Child-friendly design touches include a functional steering wheel, locking doors, a seat harness, and a built-in truck bed for carrying toys and essentials, enhancing both safety and play value. Adding to the fun, the Silverado Ride-on Truck offers Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in sound system, enabling little drivers to play their favorite tunes while cruising around. Whether navigating sidewalks or driveways, this truck promises safe, enjoyable rides while fostering independence and outdoor play. It's a great choice for families seeking a reliable, feature-packed ride-on with authentic styling and dependable performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.